Hello student, it is a video of Maths 1. Lesson number 2 is going on, that is quadratic equation. It is a video number 19 of the lesson quadratic equation. Already we started the practice set 2.6. Today we will discuss example number 9. So you open your textbook and read the example number 9 from the textbook. See, the example is, if 460 is divided by a natural number, question is 6 more than 5 times the divisor and remainder is 1. Find quotient and divisor. Read the example at least 2 to 3 times. See the example. If 460 is divided by a natural number, question is 6 more than 5 times the divisor and remainder is 1. Find quotient and divisor. So here we will solve the example. Example keep open in front of you. So as soon as you read the example, try to remember the previous knowledge what you have. As soon as you read the example, you should remember the formula related to division, and the formula is dividend equal to divisor multiplied by quotient plus remainder. Here in the example they asked you to find the quotient and the divisor. So we will say let the divisor be x, or we will consider the divisor x. Because for the quotient the condition is given. So let the divisor be x. And so the quotient will be 5x plus 6. See the condition what is given in the example. It is said the quotient is 6 more than 5 times the divisor. 5 times the divisor, that is 5x, more than 5 times divisor, that is 6, and so it is plus 6. So let the divisor be x, and so the quotient will be the question is 5x plus 6. So we consider the divisor is x, and so the question is 5x plus 6. Now we will put these values in the formula. Formula is dividend equal to divisor multiply by quotient plus remainder. I will write here only R for the remainder. Now dividend is given in the question, because in the example it is said if 460 is divided, that means the dividend is 460 equal to divisor we consider x, multiply by dy, question is 5x plus 6 plus remainder is given 1. And now it is easy to solve. You will get the quadratic equation from this. Quadratic equation you can solve with any method and you will get the answer. So here it is a simple calculation. I told you, you concentrate on calculation, improve your skill of doing calculation. So 460 equal to x multiplied by bracket. So 5x square plus 6x plus 1. So when you will complete the calculation, you will get 5x square. We will just rearrange, we will try to write in the standard form of the quadratic equation. So we will get 5x square plus 6x plus 1 equal to 460. So next step will be try to write it in the standard form. So 5x square plus 6x plus 1 minus 460 equal to 0. So plus minus minus, bigger number sign. So you will get 5x square plus 6x minus 459 equal to 0. Now try to write it in the form of factors. So here now we have to find out the factors of 5 multiplied by 459. So 5 multiplied by 459, instead of taking the product, you can see 459 is a product of 45 multiplied by 51. So the factors or the two numbers which are giving us the product 5 multiplied by 459, that is 45 multiplied by 51. Now I will show you the rough calculation how it is. Instead of taking the whole product, we will solve it in a short way. See, we want the product of 5x square multiply by minus 459. We want the product 5 multiplied by minus 459 suppose. And the sum should be 6. So for this 5 multiply by this, what I am showing that this is a rough work. Five multiply by minus 459. 5 will come down as it is, multiply by minus 459 is a product of 9 multiplied by 51. Nine ones are 9, 9 fives are 45. So minus 459 is a product of minus 9 multiplied by 51. Now these two numbers gives you the product minus 45, 5 9s are 45, and this will give you 51. So the two numbers which we are getting, that is minus 45 and 51. And so we will split out the middle term with that, because the minus 45 and 51, the sum of this is plus 6. So 5x square minus 45x plus 51x minus 459 equal to 0. This is first group and this will be the second group. So here 5 is common. Inside, 5x is common. Inside remain x. 5 9s are 45. Here plus 51 is common. Inside remain x minus 9. 51 9s are equal to 0. So x minus 9 is common bracket. Another bracket is 5x plus 51 equal to 0. Now each bracket will be equal to 0. So x minus 9 equal to 0. Each factor will be equal to 0. So 5x plus 51 equal to also 0. So you get x is equal to 9. And here you will get 5x is equal to minus 51. And so x equal to minus 51 upon 5. But minus 51 upon 5 is not a natural number, because in the example it is said 460 is divided by a natural number. Minus 51 upon 5 is not a natural number, so the correct answer is 9. So the divisor is 9. So you have to write it here, minus 51 upon 5 is not a natural number. And so x is equal to 9 is the correct answer. And so we'll say the divisor is 9 and the quotient is we'll put the value of x in the we consider 5x plus 6. So first divisor is 9, and so quotient is equal to 5x plus 6 equal to 5 multiplied by 9 plus 6, and you get 45 plus 6 is equal to 51. So this way whatever they ask you to find out, you can find out. It is a simple example. You can solve it once again of your own. Try to solve all the word problems of your own See, in this example we consider the divisor x, and so according to the given condition the question is 5x plus 6. Then we may use the formula of division, that is dividend is equal to divisor multiplied by quotient plus remainder. We use this formula. By this formula, the dividend already it is given in the question, that is 460. Divisor we consider x, multiply by quotient is 5x plus 6 according to the condition, plus remainder 1 is given. Then in the second, it is a part of calculation. 460 will come down as it is, equal to x multiplied by bracket. So x multiplied by 5x, 5x square, plus x multiplied by 6, 6x plus 1. We tried to write it in the form of standard form of the quadratic equation, that is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. And so 5x square plus 6x plus 1 equal to 460. 5x square plus 6x plus 1 minus 460 equal to 0. Now we want the factors of product, that is 5 multiplied by 459, and the sum should be plus 6. I showed you the rough calculation. That means that is an easy thing. Instead of taking the product, and factors which we got, that is minus 45 and plus 51. So minus 45 plus 51, the sum is plus 6. Split out the middle term with this, and then here first group and this is the second group. From the first group 5x is common, in bracket x minus 9. Second group 51 is common, in bracket x minus 9. X minus 9 is the common bracket, and second bracket will be 5x plus 51 equal to 0. Both the factors or bracket is equal to 0. So first bracket x minus 9 equal to 0, and so x is equal to 9. Second bracket 5x plus 51 equal to 0. So 5x is equal to minus 51, and so x is equal to minus 51 upon 5. Minus 51 upon 5 is not a natural number, and so it is not the correct answer. So the correct answer will consider x is equal to 9. X is equal to 9, that means divisor is 9. And so the question will be 5 multiplied by 9 plus 6, that is 45 plus 6 is equal to 51. This way we can solve this example. Try to complete the exercise. The example which I showed you, which I did not show, all you try of your own in classwork notebook. Thank you.